vlog. We are going to go to London. And yeah, I can't wait. It's my favourite city ever. It's currently Wednesday today. And I'll see you in 2 days. But yeah, I'm going to pack a bit now. Then I'm going to record some on Thursday. And then I'll see you on Friday, early mornings. And yeah. Guys, so now I'm going to get my suitcase, unpack it. But I'm going to lay out some of my clothes on the floor, like in a line. And then I'm going to record some tomorrow to pack with me. And yeah, I'll see you on Friday, early morning. I can't wait.
You're the second cleverest person on the bus, man. Well done. Yeah,
Behind
yes,
you.
I thought they would be, yeah, behind me, of course.
Train and the platform.
All of you.
Okay guys, that is it for my video. And yeah, love you. Thanks for watching.